Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations. It's just my trade journal. And here we are, Tuesday, June 6, 2023. We're going to cover price action and order flow levels. And that's on the 24-hour. We're going to go in depth on that. A little bit on the 60-minute price structure currently in Globex and the 15-minute. So we'll cover price action and balances to balance, draws on liquidity, and order flow levels. Let's get to it. Okay, I want to point out for the video journal a few things on this 24 hours. So right away, Tuesday on the right candle, here is the Monday high of the year, and that repriced, of course, the volume imbalance from last August that I talked about on the weekend journal and last week's giant Friday candle green. So what that looks like, obviously, is a swing pivot here. And we've got this high of the year. So what's it doing up here? Price is currently below the new week open at 88.50, below the June 5th open at 92.75, and of course the high 43.0525. And we've got this yellow rectangle, which is a fair value gap. So there's that. And then we've got the new week open gap below that. So we've got a lot of levels here below, but right now we've got no news. So that's no catalyst down or up. And we've got an 11 handle range. So that's where we are in the 24-hour. Let's check the 60. 60 minutes. So what we've got here is Tuesday on this blue line. Everything on the right of it is Tuesday Globex. So Asia, and currently we're in Europe. New York midnight open came in at 81.50, and the London open was 42.76. So we've got ourselves an 11 handle bracket. That's not great. It's bracket trading, and I don't really like it because I don't want to get caught. So I've done one sequence short, just a base hit, but base hits add up. So above here, we've got the June 5th open, and above that, I've got this order block. So the order block right here comes in with the body of the candle I've got marked off at 42.9925. The wick comes in at 42.9450. So the question is, are we going to go back and revisit this? But to do that, we're going to have to really go above the June 5th Monday RTH open. So I don't think there's enough juice, but again, no news. And currently the order flow hashtag is green with the -5 delta. Not that I'm going to trade off this time interval and time of day, but the point is there's no real urgency to sell. So that's the 60. Let's try the 15. All right. I like this best. This frames it, the bellwether 15 minutes. So the order block right here on this green is 43.02, and then you see this big rectangle, this red rectangle, of course, is a giant fair value gap. And notice how we went down. It was like a breakaway gap. We never retested this thing. We had candle wicks peak just to the border of it at 42.95, but we never went back and repriced this. So that's one thing to note. And then, of course, we've already gone over the RTH open for Monday, the new week open, and here we are, 81.50 for the midnight open for New York time on 81.50, and then London right here, and that is 42.76. So where are we? We've got relatively equal lows. So yeah, something's going to break here. That's coming in. Let's just call it 73.50 and change. And we carried over the lows into Tuesday Globex from the lows of the end of RTH Monday. So what are my expectations? Currently, they're not bullish, but I don't have a setup for short, and I don't want to be going with all this range on a swing here. We've swung low. I'd rather see we get some kind of fair value for me to do. The pivot, notably, is 86.25. Yeah, if we got there, I'd be looking to start maybe initiating a short, but based on time of day. That's got to be in line with the time of day rule set. So currently flat, only one bracket sequence. And again, what's the bracket? The bracket is 11 handles right here. So that's all I've got for 15 minutes here currently in Globex. I'm just going to watch it, observe the price action, see when we break the bracket. This might be an afternoon trade. It might not be an RTH AM trade. Who knows? But I'm just going to be patient and not press any buttons because the London silver bullet is over with, and now it's all about the RTH Open, and we'll take a look at that when it happens. Thanks for watching. Take care. Aloha. Bye.